What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, hopefully getting back into the YouTube thing. I got something really big happening in my life right now, so I definitely want to get into the YouTube game before that happens, so I can start going full send into these YouTube videos. So I want to start now. I mean, it's not going to be as frequent as it used to be, but I definitely hope I will be picking it up. But I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time. You guys know why you're here. You're here for a Supreme Week 1 unboxing from the... What even season is this? From the spring summer 2022 release. In total, I think it was 11 orders, but 5 of them ended up getting canceled, which is actually pretty good for me because the last couple of seasons, I think one season, every single order I had got canceled. So I think they canceled 9 orders. And the season after that, I had, I think, 7 orders canceled. So now I'm definitely have a record. This is the best I've done, only 5 orders getting canceled. I'm actually unsure of why they get canceled. Maybe I buy too many things. I don't know. I don't use any bots, so I'm not really sure why they're getting canceled, but definitely I think the last 4 or 5 seasons, anywhere from 5 to 10 orders have been getting canceled. So anyways, got a bunch of orders. It looks like a lot in the thumbnail, but that's because they shipped a bunch of things separately. I know they've been doing that a lot, so that's why it looked like a lot more than it was. But yeah, like I said, I think it was right around 11 orders total before the ones getting canceled. But yeah, anyways, let's just get right into this. I think in total, I don't even know. I probably spent anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. I'm not really sure. If I can figure that out, I'll definitely put it in the title. But let's just get right into this. I'm wasting way too much of your guys' time, and I have so many items. So I'm definitely already kind of forgot what had already what released. So hopefully we got some necklaces and hopefully we got some stickers, because I have been slowing down on buying personal Supreme items, but I still be collecting the stickers. The stickers are literally the greatest thing Supreme has to offer, in my opinion. So it looks like in this order we got the olive socks. I believe I got the max quantity that you could get. And yeah, it looks like we got 4 of the olive socks. These are always, I mean, not really have been doing good hold wise, like the pink ones and the purple ones, but the red ones for a small period of time were a very good hold item. But this is an okay color. Maybe by fall time these might be worth more, because team reseller over here, not really many things are going to be for the personal. Moving along, we got the olive boxers, and I think I got the max quantity of 4. I got a size medium because I'm gonna is there 2 in here or 1 in here? 2 are in here. So yeah, I'm probably gonna keep a pack for myself. But yeah, that's the olive boxers. Definitely the pink, in my opinion, last season was better. However, the green is still fire. And then looks like we did get a necklace. Mine is broken, so that is sick. So hopefully we get another one that's not broken. But yeah, I got one of the Supreme Smarties necklaces. Probably, in my opinion, just hear me out, in my opinion, this is the greatest Supreme accessory. Sorry, not accessory, free gift that they've ever given. That's just my opinion. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And then, oh, did we not get any stickers? I don't think we got any stickers. Oh, we did get some stickers. We got some stickers. We got the 2 red box logos as usual, and then the knowledge, and then this deer one. I don't really know what these are called, but those are the stickers that I got. And then nothing else is in there. So then lastly, in this order, we got some teas. Unfortunately, I am going to be keeping these in the plastic, but I will still show you what I got. So it looks like we got the Al Green tee in a size small. This is the black colorway. This one is the Love That tee. Got this in a size medium in the black colorway as well. Kind of already forgot what graphic this was, but yeah, I got that tee. Then we got the Knowledge tee. I thought this was pretty cool because it's kind of in my opinion, kind of like a throwback graphic. This looks like you could have told me this was from Supreme back in 2010 and I probably would have believed you. But yeah, this is size small, and this is also in the black colorway. Definitely a sick graphic. Then we got the Gas tee, as well as the Deer tee, which is what the sticker was. Both of these are in a size small. One is black and one is white. So yeah, we're just breezing through this. I know in the past my videos are extremely long, and this side of YouTube's kind of dying out, where you just sit down and unbox things. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. Just want to get it right over with. So that's why I'm just kind of trying to breeze through this for you guys. All right, just the paper, 2 red box logos. And then this, wondering why this was so heavy. This is the cast iron pan. This is for the personal, because I do collect a lot of the accessories, so I will open this up and we could take a look at it. I have yet to see this in real life. I mean, I've seen in real life pictures, but actually in real life, I have yet to see it. So this will be interesting to see. Actually, quite difficult to open. Oh, here we go. So here it is. This thing is actually crazy heavy, probably because it's cast iron, but it has the Supreme box logo right there. And yeah, this thing is super sick. I like this a lot. Crazy heavy, but obviously it's cast iron, so what can you expect? Moving along, let's see what we got in here. 2 red box logos. Dang, they're not doing me too well with these. Then I got the, what even is this? This is, I think, the Bluetooth cassette player. Yeah, right here. This is gonna be for the personal. However, I'm not gonna open this one right now. But yeah, that is the cassette player. And, oh, luckily, we did get a Smarties, and this one does not appear to be broken like the last one, so that is good. Got another Smartie necklace. Unfortunately though, no stickers. All right, next one. That's what I don't really get about like how they've been doing this like the last few years, is when they ship things separately. I get they probably come from different warehouses, but they're wasting like so much packaging. Like some orders have like 3 items in them, and they'll literally ship every single one separately. Like that was a cassette player in this big box. Like I don't know, I just feel like they could find a better way to do this. So it looks like this time I did get hooked up on the stickers. We got the Al Green one, the Love That Supreme one. This was my favorite one. That one is super sick. And then we got the Knowledge one, another Love That, a smaller one like the black and pink. Another oh, this one's broken, but we did get another Smarties necklace. Dang, I am taking it out with these broken ones. 3 red box logos. Oh, they hooked it up right there. And then we got the knife keychain. This is for the personal, so I will take this out for you guys really quick. So I did get it in the black colorway, and there it is. I have no idea if you can even see that on camera right now. But yeah, I got this in the black colorway. This thing is pretty sick. I think I was attempting to get the whole set, but I don't believe I did, but I can't remember that or not. That was for the personal. And then this must be the Nalgene. Yeah, this is the purple Nalgene. This also was for the personal, since like I told you guys before, I already be collecting all of the accessories. This thing is pretty sick. I think it's actually still in stock on the website, but I'm not sure. We are breezing through this. So we did get one more of those small Love That stickers, 2 red box logos, and a Smartie necklace that is not broken. This one is not broken. So I mean, that's good. We're 2 for 2 on those. But then we got the spring training box logo fitted hat. Got this in a 7 1/4. It's not for the personal, however, this colorway actually is pretty clean in my opinion. I like the spring training patch on the side. And yeah, I thought this was pretty sick. Those sat for like quite a while when usually they don't. Oh, the fitted hats at least. But then I got the loose gauge beanie in brown. This is gonna be for the personal collection. You can't go wrong with brown, but brown's just killing it. Then we also got a fat tip beanie. This one is in the green colorway, slime green colorway, black and green. As well as the classic logo tee in a black size small. All right, let's get one of these deck boxes out of the way, I guess. So first up, oh wow, we actually got a necklace in, oh, it fell to the bottom. So first up, we have the bling box logo. This was a must for the personal collection. This thing is just so sick. Like, oh guys, if you've been a fan of the channel, you know the bling box logo is my favorite box logo. Then they gave us the skateboard. Had to cop. Not that one, but you'll see in a minute. Got another Smartie necklace. This one looks broke, but it is not broke. This one is fully intact. And that is all in that one. And this one is, yes, the gold box. Obviously for the personal collection. Both of these, super sick. I can't even say anything about this. I'm just so hyped. Literally, it's like the universe was listening to me and gave that to me so I could get it, because I don't want to pay 400 bucks for the OG one. Perfectly content with that one. Then we got another Smartie necklace. We are killing it with necklaces, and I don't think this one is broken. This one's fine. Next up, this is the fat tip skateboard. I got this in the brown colorway, it looks like. Is this brown? Kind of looks black to me, but it's, apparently this is brown and pink. Also for the personal, since I collect the skateboards. And nothing else inside of that box. I must have jinxed myself, because I just said how I was killing it getting all these items. Some of these boxes, I'm struggling today. So in this one, we got the slime green. Right here is the, what's it called? The fat tip in the black and slime green. You know, already had to get this for the personal as well. That set I wasn't trying to complete because I wasn't that big of a fan. No other stickers in there. But I wasn't that big of a fan of like all the colors. Those were just my 2 favorite colors, so I ended up getting those. Oh yeah. Another one of the bling boxes. Just gonna be holding on to this one. Probably not selling it, but just keeping it, you know. Gotta have 2 of this set. I'm just so excited I had to get 2 of them. And that one has a necklace in it. That is, oh yeah, this one's crazy broken, yeah. That one is broke right in half. That was probably the worst one. So moving along here. Wait, actually I'm tripping. This package isn't even a Supreme package, so that one doesn't even count. So yeah, we got 2 packages left. So this one, I thought this beanie was pretty sick. It's a red oval beanie, it's great. Then we have the Al Green tee again. Another one of the slime beanies. The Spitfire red wheels, these are for the personal. I just couldn't get them last time. They sold out super quickly. But this season they're just sitting. And then some more stickers that you have already seen a bunch of times because they're just doubles. Another necklace that is not broken. And that should be it for that one. Alright guys, the last and final package. Well actually, to be honest with you guys, I am waiting on one more package. But I'm leaving to Chicago for this week. So I wanted to make this video and wasn't gonna wait the entire week on one package. Or like a whole extra week to make the video just because of one package. It was probably just like a couple t-shirts anyways. But for my last one, we got the Fat Tip beanie. This is the brown colorway. This colorway is so sick. I wish I could wear these type of beanies because I would have kept that for the personal. We got another fitted hat, the spring training. This one is in black and white. Side patch right there, pretty sick. S logo camp cap, but I think this is the Kevlar one. Yeah, the Kevlar one right there. Then we got the Wash Chino Twill camp cap in this crazy camo colorway. Me and Joey talked about this in the video about this camo, so I had to pick that up. I feel like that's gonna be a good item later on down the road, but who knows really. Then just some more tees that I've already shown. The little logo right there. Oh, this one actually I didn't show. This is the all over print one. Right there, size small, black. Purple loose gauge beanie, which might be for the personal if I don't look like a goof in this purple. Yeah, they hooked it up way more because I did get, I don't even know if I said I got one of these already in this package, but yeah, got a necklace, but I have more stickers at the bottom here. 2 box logos, an Al Green, and the deer one. But then lastly, we have another one of the oval beanies. This one is in the black colorway. Well, that is everything that I got for the spring summer 2022 week 1 unboxing. Well, that's a lot because I did say I was waiting on one more package but didn't want to wait to make the entire video. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, I'm going to be uploading a little bit more frequently, not like I used to be, but going to be uploading a lot more than I was. So if you did like this video, make sure you drop a like, comment on this video as well, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.